Hello students, today I will discuss about some application of the previous theorem. So what is sum number 1? The perpendicular distance from the center of a circle of radius 13 cm to a chord of length 10 cm is. First draw a circle. Perpendicular distance from the center of a circle. This one. Of radius 13 cm. So radius is here 13 cm to a chord of length 10 cm. So if the chord is 10, that means it will be 5 and 5. One right angle triangle is there. Take the distance as d. Apply Pythagoras theorem. So it will be d square plus 5 square equals to 13 square. This square will be 169 minus 25, 144. So d equals to 12. That means the perpendicular distance is 12 centimeter. Now the next one, sum number 2. The length of each of two parallel chords of a circle is 24 cm. So first I will take two parallel chords here. Each of them is 24 cm. Radius 13 cm. Distance between the chords. That means if I will draw a perpendicular here, it is the center. Now both of them are perpendicular to these chords. Now write down the name. Suppose AB, CD, O, M, N. We have to find MN. Because MN is the distance between the two parallel chords. So first I will take this triangle OND. Why? Because both the triangles, in case of both the triangles, OD equals to OB. This one means the whole one is 24. So CD is 24 means we can say this one is 12. Because we know that the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. That's why 12 and 12. Similarly, this one will be also 12. So I will just find ON from there and then multiply ON by 2. I will get the whole distance. Because both the triangles are similar here. Also they are congruent. So that congruency we don't have to prove because it is quite obvious that the sides are equal. So ON equals to OM. That's why first I will find ON from here. Then I will just multiply ON by 2. I will get the whole one. So in triangle OND, ON square plus ND square equals to OD square. We have to find ON from here. So ON square equals to OD square means 169 because 13 is there and this one is 144. So ON square equals to 25. ON equals to 5. That means this distance is 5. Therefore MN we can say 2 into 5 centimeter means 10 centimeter. Because already I have told that OM equals to ON. That's why it is 10 centimeter. Now the next one, sum number 3. In a circle, the perpendicular distance from the center to a chord is half the radius. In a circle, the perpendicular distance from the center to a chord is half the radius. It is given that r equals to x units. That means this one is x and this one is x by 2, because it is given here that the perpendicular distance, this one is half the radius. We have to find the length of the chord. So first I will find this one, then just multiply it by 2. So OBC is a right angle triangle. From here we can say OB square plus BC square equals to OC square by Pythagoras theorem. From here you have to find BC square. So OC square means x square minus OB square. OB square means x by 2 whole square. Now just solve this one. It will be 3x square by 4. Now BC square is 3x square by 4. So BC equals to root 3x by 2, because root over 3, root of x square is x and root over 4 is 2. Root 3x by 2. But we have to find AC. So we need 2BC. That means root 3x. Now the next one, sum number 4. In a circle AB and CD are two equal chords. O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB equals to 60 degree. Then what is angle COD here? So first I will draw one circle. Take two equal chords. Suppose they are equal. O is the center of the circle. AOB. So AOB equals to 60 degree. We have to find angle COD. One theorem was there that angles lying on the same arc are equal. If the chord is equal, means the length of the chords are equal, that means the length of the arc will be also equal. So this one, angle AOB lying on the arc AB, angle COD lying on the arc CD, and AB equals to CD, that means arc AB equals to arc CD. So this one will be also 60 degree. What is the basic reason of that? Angles lying on the same arc are equal. So when I will draw two chords there, that means the corresponding arc will be also same. So this one will be 60 degree.